Hello everyone, welcome back again to my kitchen. I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you how to make a very crispy and perfect Ghanaian spring roll recipe. This is party style, trust me, you're going to love it. So all you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I'll start by making my spring roll filling, and this is the leftover of my filling which I use for my meat pie recipe. So basically it is corned beef, carrots, and a little bit of onions. And you know, spring rolls without cabbage is not spring rolls, so let's go in with enough cabbage to make a spring roll filling complete. Okay, all right, so you can also use any protein of your choice, and you can also omit the proteins totally. Okay, now let's stir everything together very nicely. You know, the meat pie recipe, I already seasoned the filling, so this time around I'll just go in with a little bit of salt because of the cabbage to make it more tasty. Okay, you can also add in extra seasonings of your choice. Now this is how our filling look like. Very soft right now, so I'll set it aside for it to cool down completely. Now whilst our filling is cooling down, let's go ahead and prepare our spring roll wraps. So for the recipe for the wraps, I'll be using 1 cup of flour, and also I'll add a pinch of salt to it, and also water to make a paste consistency. Kindly add in the water little by little because we don't want consistency to be very runny. Okay, now let's stir until we have no lumps in it as well. Now this is the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. It shouldn't be very runny and it shouldn't be very thick as well. Just perfect, just the way you see it on your screens right now. Now all that is left is for us to brush the paste into a pan, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And with this method, you need to also do it on a very low heat because we don't want it to burn quickly. Okay, so after about 30 seconds, the edges of the wrap should be lifting up, or it should have a crispy texture. And when you see that, all that is left is to remove your wraps from your pan and set it aside. It's very easy, trust me. It's self-explanatory, so you just have to watch the video very well and follow the steps one after the other. Okay, so now let me still remind you that subscribing is free, so if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And also do let me know what you think about this super easy 2 ways spring roll wraps or sheet recipe. So now let's do this on low medium heat once again until everything is nice and ready. As you can see, as I said, it's super easy, and all you have to do is to follow instructions as well, and you're going to end up having a very perfect spring roll sheet at home. All right. Alright, so now this is the outcome of our spring roll wraps. This is super easy, right? I hope you're going to give this wraps recipe a try. All that is left is for you to trust the process. Alright, so I have it in 2 different ways. I just uploaded the recipe. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. So do check it out after the video for detailed recipe. Okay, alright, so now all that is left is for us to fill in our wraps with our vegetable filling or any filling of your choice. And once that is done, we will seal it very nicely, just the way you see it on the screens right now. We're going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Kindly seal it very well so that it doesn't open in the frying process. But trust me, I just didn't know what happened to my wraps. I ended up having about 2 or 3 wraps open in the frying process, so trust me, you don't have to be like me. Just make sure to seal it very well. Okay, now this is the perfect outcome. As you can see, everything is turning out beautifully and just perfect. Now whilst we rolling and sealing our wraps, let me also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. So what happened was that I was really doing something else, and trust me, the camera was on, but I didn't realize it wasn't recording. So that's why I didn't see me dropping in the spring rolls to the oil. But here we move. Okay, all that matters right here is that the outcome was just perfect. Now we're going to fry on medium heat until everything is nice and ready. Kindly keep an eye on it so that the spring rolls will come out really amazing. Okay, and at this point, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning and new followers or subscribers out here. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Now, so we've been frying the spring rolls for about 5 minutes in the oil, and this is the outcome. Very crispy and very golden. All that is left is for us to remove it in the oil, and we're going to repeat the same process one more time until everything is nice and ready. And if you're still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back after the second batch is ready, and as you can see, it's looking super good and very perfect. All that is left is to line this up on a paper towel, allow it to absorb the oil a little bit, and enjoy. You can enjoy the spring rolls with any minerals or beverages of your choice. Trust me, you can also enjoy this just like that, and trust me, you're going to love it. As you can see, it turned out really good. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this spring roll recipe in the comment section, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. If you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.